Your kid is the future. Will is busy helping his mom to design her website. Susan is making game and instead of playing one. Raj is coding a satellite to inform his dad about the weather. Interesting, isn't it? But not tough. Your kid can also ace the skills and be the future. How? Is the question, right? Time has changed and our way of perceiving education too. Learning about things are easier and more accessible now. Coding, the names sound pretty technical and tough, but is the basic literacy of this digital world. It also helps them to understand and work with the technology that surround them. It is serving as an opportunity for kids to learn about things that were considered. With LogiQminds' coding class, kids are preparing to be future ready. Enroll your kids with us to allow a future where innumerable opportunities are awaiting them.